Sleeping on the glass. Another gray afternoon is gonna pass. Steam is rising from this cup, while I'm just waiting for the world to shut up. I got these words in a book of verse, trying to fix this spiritual thirst. In this silence, I find my soul. Letting the rain make me feel whole. A little bit of dark roast and a line of rhyme. Baby, I'm just killing time. In the stillness of this hour, reclaiming all my power. Reclaiming my power. The asphalt shining like a mirror of glass, watching all the lonely commuters pass. But up here, the air is sweet and still, like I finally climbed that impossible hill. Just me and these ink-stained sheets, safe and sound from the city streets. In this silence, I find my soul. Letting the rain make me feel whole. A little bit of dark roast and a line of rhyme. Baby, I'm just killing time. In the stillness of this hour, reclaiming all my power. Yeah, reclaiming my power. They told me that the joy was in the noise. They told me I was missing out on all the boys. But this peace is a kingdom, baby, and I'm the only king. Can you hear the way the silence sing? It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Just me and my peace. Yeah, keep that rain falling. In the silence, it's a beautiful day to be alone.